Hi friends, very good morning, good evening. Okay. Hi friends, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening. In this video, we are going to explore about Power Automate further. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I have this my Power Automate application opened on my computer. Okay, so in the last video, we just explored, all the options available in the Power Automate desktop. We also gone through some of the examples like Excel automation, web automation, desktop automation, data handling, PDF, flow control, whatever. Right. In this video, I'm going to explore how to create a new workflow where we can automate some tasks like opening some web browser or so if we have a automated workflow, how we can schedule that, how to run the workflows which are already saved on the computer. Okay, what else we can do with the Power Automate in this video we are going to explore. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, yeah, let's go and create a new workflow here. Okay, a flow name. So this is a new workflow I can see on the left top corner on the Power Automate window. Okay, I'm gonna click on this workflow name. Okay, so workflow name. Um. Uh. I just want to check my email. Check my email. Check my Gmail. Checking my Gmail. Okay. Creating. I'm gonna just create the workflow like this. No, I will get a new workflow window like this. Okay. Okay. So this is the window where we can create some workflows or where we can do some automated actions using the Power Automate. Okay, so input and output variables, flow variables, no variables to display. So on the left side of the window, I can see some variables. In the variables, I can see some of the options like date table, create a new data table, insert into insert row into data table, find or replace in data table, update data table item, delete row from data table. Okay, on the truncate number, generate random number, clear list, sort list, shuffle. So these are all the actions or variables we have, and then the conditionals we have case, default case, else, if, switch now. Loops like for each loop we have loop condition, next loop, exit loop. Okay, so flow control, we have comments, end region, exit subflow, get last error. Okay, we have these many options like file in the file one if file exists. Okay, wait for file, copy files, move file, delete files, rename files, read text from file. Okay, read from CSV, write to CSV, get file path. So these are the some of the some of the actions related to the files. Okay, okay. Now next in the folder, some these are the actions are related to folder. If folder exists, get in files. Okay, in the folder. Okay, compression, zip files. We can use. We can create zip files and we can also unzip files. UI automation. In the UI automation, we have data extraction from filing, filling windows. If window contains blah blah blah. Okay, these are all the actions we have in the UI automation. This is the HTTP download from web, invoke SOAP web service, invoke web service. Okay, browser automation, Excel, advanced Excel like launch Excel, databases. We have email actions, Exchange server, Outlook. Okay, Okay, when we have these many actions, right? When we try to let me maximize this. When we try to use this one, right? So it will just add the main canvas, all the actions with the. So this is the main canvas. When we take an action, when we select any action, okay. When we take any when we take any action, it will just add that action to the main canvas here. Okay, and also we can record the actions also. So what are the actions we are going to do? Like okay, I am opening my folder and I'm going to minimize it again. I'm going to maximize and close this. Okay, then I can go to this. Okay, record, record. Okay, so let me open this. Let me open the folder. Okay, so press button in window, button, file explorer, taskbar are secondary. Okay, right. So click element on window, record action. These are the actions, right? See, we can go to here, then done, right? What happens? If I go here, see this one, right? Run, run. What happens? Started running. Okay. See, let me close this. Stop, stop, run. I should be able to open this. Something is happening. I don't know. Click failed. Failed to get the window. Okay. Failed to get the window. Okay. Run. See. Click on the button explorer. So where we can. So okay. So this is how we can do these things. And let me go to exit. Okay. Don't save. Create a new flow. Again here. So these are the UI elements. As we go to the element, images, capture image in 5 seconds, capture image without custom delay. Okay. So okay, let's for the first for the first of for my first flow, I wanna open my Excel. Okay, let me go to Excel. I'm gonna expand it. Then launch Excel is what I can do. Or else I can drag it here. So okay. So what happens? Okay, so if I use this, I think I'm gonna see the Excel that is getting open. Um, okay, what are the advanced? So advanced nests under a new Excel process. Okay, variable produced ex- Excel instance. Okay, this is the Excel instance. Okay, Excel instance. If I if I want to reference it back, it will gonna open here on the flow variables here over here. Then everything okay. Now I'm gonna click on save here. Right, I'm gonna click on save. Okay, let me reduce the variable also. I'm gonna click on save. Okay, so launch Excel. So I got a launch Excel. I'm gonna click on run. So it will start executing my flow. So we have a first flow. So I want to show you what should we do. Let me run this again. Okay. So once this is done, what can we do? We have updated feel of fuel system settings. Okay, got it. Okay, so okay, let me write a message here. Let me try if I'm able to write this. Display a message. Okay, the message box will type launched Excel. Okay, so message to display. I'm just right. Uh, yay. Am I? Let me write. I am able to launch launch Excel using or automate. Okay. Message box icon. So if I want to question warning error information. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Message box button. Okay. Okay. Or cancel. Oh, so it's gonna produce. I think two options. Yes or no, like that. Okay. Let's keep default button. First button. Okay. Keep message box always on top. Yeah. I'm gonna keep this top. Close message box automatically. I don't want to timeout 336. No variable produced. Let me keep the variable produced also. See, so here. Okay, button pressed. Okay, let me save on error. What's gonna happen on error? Okay, continue flow run or throw error. Throw error. Okay, so I don't want to change anything here. Launch Excel. Let me save this. Okay, now. So this is the flow. Let me close my Excel again. So let me run. Okay, what happens? So if I run this, I can see the status. After running this, I should get a what is this? See, yeah, it produced launched Excel. Yeah, I'm able to launch Excel using Power Automate. Okay, done. Once pressed OK. Once OK is pressed, once we press OK, it's gonna close up. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, so my Excel is now open. Okay, let me go back to my Excel actions. Okay, Excel actions. What are the other actions are there in Excel? I can see. So we use launch Excel. Then let us first of all close the Excel. Right. Let me close the Excel. So okay, what is the select parameter Excel instance? Okay, what I can see. Oh, flow variable. So okay, so we are going to use this variables which is created while we open up the Excel, right? For launch Excel for this action, we got a Excel instance right here. We can rename it also. So we are going to specify this instance over here to close the Excel. So if, for example, if we have multiple Excel instance here, so we should specify which which Excel instance we want to close here. Okay, so I'm gonna select this Excel instance to close. Okay, so on the close, before closing, what we want to do? So we can so since see, so if we close this, obviously it will ask you to save. So if you have Excel, so if you enter some data, it will ask you to save or don't save or cancel, right? So let's save the document as okay, document format, default from extension, document path. I'm gonna specify a path. Okay, I'm gonna specify a path here. Let me open uh, power automate. Okay, Power Automate. In this, I'm gonna create a new folder again. Excel, 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 Excel experiment. Okay, experiment, experiment. Okay, Excel experiment. Okay, this one. Right. What is this? Document path. Let me copy this. Let's try. Okay, what happens here? Path. Okay. Users save. Okay. So display a message. Okay. After this, let's run this. Display this message. Okay. I got this message. When I press OK. Okay, done. This is done. Uploading done. It's done. Okay. 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 So before that we use launch Excel. Okay. Display message. This is also done. Let's remove this first of all. Okay. Let's remove this. Let's delete. Okay. So we have a launch Excel, then close Excel. Right. In this way, in between these two steps, let's add one more step here. Write to Excel worksheet. Okay. So this is the Excel instance. Okay. Write value to write. Hello. Uh, this is from our automate. Okay, HANA specify cell. Okay, one, column one, row. Let's use this row one also. Okay, column one, row one. What is this? Okay, column one, row one. So let's see. Write the value. Hello, this is from Power Automate in cell in column one and row one of the Excel instance. Okay, so let's run this. Done. Let's check up this. Let's check this. Okay, gonna go to my documents or automate Excel experiment. Hmm, see, I got it. Hello, this is from Power Automate. Okay, this is cool, really. Okay, right to this one. Let us change this. Okay, first of all. Okay, document path. So this is document of default extension Power Automate Excel experiment. Uh, Let me write this Power uh, Automate experiment. Okay, right. Save. Right. Let me run this again. Done. It's closing. If I go to here, see Power Automate experiment here. Okay. Right. Let's do one thing. So what we have done, so we in the Excel we used launch Excel. Using this action we are able to launch Excel, then we are able to write some data here. Okay, and also we are going to save the same file here. Okay, using the close Excel action, set active and Excel worksheet. Okay, so launch Excel. Okay, add a new worksheet here. So what we have done, launch an Excel, then write the data to some Excel, then close. What we are going to do. So let's add one more action here. Excel instance, new worksheet, experiment one, work add worksheet as first sheet. Okay, first sheet. Right. Save. Then launch Excel, add a EXP1 sheet, then write some data. Okay, write this one. Okay, let's customize this. Okay, column one, da da dun, da da dun. Okay, then write the data, then close the Excel. Let's run this. Done. Let's see what happens. See, we have got EXP1. Hello, this is from Power Automate. Okay, perfect. Launch Excel. Okay, launch Excel and open a following document, and here we are going to specify. So in the launch Excel, what are the actions? In the launch Excel action, we have a launch Excel. So do you want to open a blank document? No, yes, that's a new Excel. So if you want to open a existing document, yeah, you can open an existing document, right? Make instance visible, yeah, and open as read only. If you open this as read only, you can't write any data. Okay, if there is a password, you can specify the password as well. Okay, okay, variable produced. So this is the Excel instance we are going to get, right? That is perfect. What's the next steps? Get first free column row from Excel worksheet. So what we now we explored four actions here. Launch Excel, add new worksheet, write to Excel worksheet, then close Excel. Okay, let's add write to Excel, read from Excel worksheet. Okay, we also used this one, right? Excel instance, the value of a single cell, right? We can use the value from a range of cells. Okay, the value from a range of cells, values from selection, all available values from worksheet. Let's use this. Okay, advanced, get cell contents as text. No, first line of range contains column names. Yes, okay, column names. So these are all just common actions page we can select as per our convenience, right? So instead of going that, we just use all available values from the worksheet. I'm going to use. Let me save. Right, Excel data. Store this in the Excel data. Floor Excel instance variables close. Okay, okay, then run it. What happened here? Then read from Excel sheet. Okay. After this, let's type a message. Let's try a message. Display message. Excel Excel data. Okay. In this one, so this is the percentile, right? I can use Excel data. Select message box icon is information. Okay. Let's try this. Ta-da-da-da-dun. Run. So, hello, this is from Power Automate. I got this data from this. Right. Let me close this. It should close. Yeah, perfect. We got it. Right. We got it. Now, so this is the some of the basic actions where we can automate for Excel. Okay. Let me close this. Let's again go back to Excel. Okay. Excel. Get column name on Excel worksheet. Okay. So let me use this column name, column number, Excel data. Okay, right. Save. Let's run this. I think there is an error. See, parameter column number, argument column number must be a numeric value. Okay, if it is a numeric value, column number is 1, right? Let's see what happens. Then run. So see what is happening here. So whenever we add some actions, the flow variable are going to generate it, right? So whenever we add some actions on the canvas, so these are related. So this is related to some this excellence, right? Excellence instance. This is about excellence instance, right? These are all some variables which are going to be generated here, right? Then let's click on run. Happens. Let us see. I got a message here. Hello, this is from Excel Automate. Get column. What is this actually? What is this actually? I don't know. Let's close this. So this is just basic about Excel. See, now these are the some of the advanced actions in Excel which are there in the Power Automate. Run Excel macro, get active Excel worksheet, get all the worksheets, delete Excel worksheet, rename active cell, okay, select cell, get selected range. Okay, these are all the actions. Okay, when you try to open this up, it will just visual user interface. Just you can just do it visually. You don't need any coding experience for this, right? But how this is how we can leverage, right? So this is how we can leverage, right? So next step. Okay, this is about the Excel, right? This is all about the Excel. So let me save this as uh, uh, Excel experiment. Excel experiment. Save my flows. Where is my flows? Save as cancel. Okay. So this is about the Excel. Let me go to. Okay. Let me close this first of all. So what are this? Add a UI element. Add a UI element. So this is the UI element. Control tick. Control tick. Control plus right click. Right click. Right click. Right click. Okay. Element picker. Okay. Let me exit. So let's automate. So this is the Excel experiment. Okay. Let me create a new one. Okay. Flow name. Uh, open up. Open up. Open up Gmail. Okay. Open up Gmail. Let's automate browser. Okay. Let's automate browser. So this is the again. This is the Power Automate workflow window. This is the canvas. Right. This is the canvas. Right. Let's go to browser automation. Okay, web data extraction, web form filling. We don't want this. Web form filling. Okay, if web page contains. Okay, launch launch new micro. So we can automate launch Firefox, Chrome, Internet Explorer. Wait for web page content. So four browsers. Okay, four browsers. Okay, run JavaScript function on the web page. Okay, hover mouse over element on a web page. Okay, close web browser. Okay, let's use this. Okay, let's use this. Let me go to Microsoft Edge. Launch a new Microsoft Edge. Okay, launch a new instance or attach to a running instance by title by URL. No, launch a new instance. Initial URL HTTPS. Okay, www dot youtube.com. Okay, www.youtube.com. What is the window state? So okay, normal, maximize, minimize. Let me press this as maximized. Okay, advanced, clear cache. No, I don't want to clear cookies. No, wait for the page load. Okay, timeout on a page load 60 seconds. Okay, so if what is this timeout? If your web page is not loaded within 60 seconds, it's gonna close, right? If a pop-up dialog appears, do nothing. No. Uh, if a pop-up appears, do nothing. Let's see if a timeout is 60 seconds, right? Variable passed. Let me create a variable also, that is browser. Okay, that is browser, YouTube browser. Okay, YouTube, right? YouTube. So it's gonna create. We can rename this also. It's gonna create a browser in flow variable section, right? Okay, launch new instance, right? Okay, let's run this. What's gonna happen? So see, I have opened youtube.com, right? I have opened youtube.com. This is my YouTube. What is this trail of software engineering history? What happened? For BA full course? No. We are going to search. We are going to search our YouTube channel. Okay. Then, okay, launch new Microsoft Edge. Okay. Wait for web page content. Okay. Content element, UI element, add a UI element, that is UI element. Okay, UI element is, so we have to open this. Okay, control this. Oh, what happens if you open this up? Okay, and where is our Power Automate? So we are here actually. So now we are here, right? UI element. So I'm gonna select my UI element, the search bar. Okay, search bar. So I got it. So local computer, web page youtube.com, input text search, input text search. No, not search. Input search. What should I search? Okay, let me learn to code by experimenting. Okay, input. Okay, let's wait for this one. Okay, save. So let me close this. First of all, let me close this. Let me run it again. Okay, so I got the YouTube. I got the, yeah, I'm here. Okay, now wait for web page content. Okay, now form fill. So this is the search, right? This should be form. So where is the form fill? Uh, Form filling focus text field on window. Okay. Now, so what we got? So this one is done. Input text is search. Next, let's go to UI automation is form filling. Okay, web form filling. Focus. Okay, then form fill. Focus on a text for add a UI element. This save. Right. Let me close this one for a sec. Let's run this. You got this? So it's on the second, right? Now it is here. It is here. What is this again? Uh, this is the power automate. This is the this one. This is power automate. This is the this one. Okay. Now what is our action? So we have to add some input, right? Let's see. What is the text? Up and the line. Let's look at the not scripting variables. Let's type input block input. Okay, block it. Blocks user mouse and keyboard input so that the flow can perform mouse and keyboard action without. No, we don't want this. We don't want this. Right? Input. So I think we can use keyboard, right? Then let's use send keys. Okay. Input as text. Input as text. Here learn to go by experimenting. Okay. Right. Learn code by experimenting. Let's save this. Let me close this and run this. Dun, 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 dun. I got this. Fail to get the U element. Right. Let's delete here. Let's do this again. Let's do this again. So wait for page element. Let's close this browser. Let's go to browser. Browser. Web form filling. Wait for web page content. Creating web data extraction. Let's run this first. Again. Click, click, click UI element in a window. Okay. UI element in a click link in a web page. Send a mouse click. Okay, send mouse click. Left click. Mouse. Cancel. Click on a UI element. UI automation. Click on a UI element. UI element is combo block search. Left click save. Right. Now let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Yay! See, now we are able to do that. You know what happened? Launched a new Microsoft Edge. Wait for page content. We waited. Click UI element. We clicked on this element. We typed our this one, right? Then click again. Click on a search bar. Click on click click UI element in a window. Here, this one. Add a UI element. Okay, add a UI element. Let me click button. Left click. Okay, save. Right. Let's use this. Let's use this. Let's use this. Let me close the browser again. Let me close the browser again. Minimize this. Let me run this. See what happens. And this is launching. Right. Then learn to code by experimenting. Then click. Yay! 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 We got it! 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 Okay. Learned code by experimenting. We got it. Okay. Then, so we have to click the very first element. Very first element. We have to click the very first element. So what we this is our channel, right? Let me click on this. New animation. Windows form filling. Um, okay, form filling in this send keys we can use in form filling focus text field in window. That means this will get activated then we get that right. Next, next what we can do? Next what we can do after? Yeah, so we have launched a new Microsoft Edge. Then wait for page content. Then click on UI element, send keys, learn to code by experimenting. Okay, click on UI element. We can so then now click on. Let's search for click UI element in. Click a link on web page. Okay, click a link on web page. Right. UI element. UI element. Let's use in this let's use I will add a new element. Okay, I will add a new element yt formatted string image. Now let me add this one. Okay, otherwise yeah, yt formatted string. What is this? Yt formatted string, I can see this is the div span. This is completely it's an anchor. What is this? Let me add. Yeah, is here nothing is happening. Let me add this anchor so that tick. Okay, web fill, web advanced. Okay, let's see. Mm, save. Okay, let's check this. Okay, let's check this. Let's check this. Let's check this. Let me close this. Okay, let me run. New window. Okay. Experimenting. Done. Searched and clicked. Then can see something. Okay. So see 103 subscribers for 15 videos. Where is the okay? Let me switch the account here. Okay. Okay, let me change this, right? Okay, I have changed my Google. I changed my account to my personal. Let's run this workflow again so that I will be able to show you how to subscribe. Right. This one. Got it. Come on, come on, come on. What is happening? What is happening? Click your element to combo search. What? Click to fail to get window. Fail to get window? Why? Let me run this again. Oh, what is happening? Yeah. Okay. Let me close this also. Okay. Launch a new Microsoft Edge. Okay. Launch a new Microsoft Edge. We are launching. It is open. What happened? Click failed. What is? Yeah. Click failed. Combo search. Select. Save. Okay. Let me close. Run. China Ruchulu. Jalulu. What happened? Yeah. Okay, let me use this minimized first. Let me close this. Let's see again. Element in a window. Click a link on a window. Let's remove this. Instead of click a link in, click a link in web page or um, text, text. Focus text field in a window. Text focus text field on a web page. Okay, focus text field on a web page. Let's try this. Okay, browser youtube.com UI element. Select save focus text field on a web page. Let's use this. Let's run this. Let's run this. It should focus that. Yay! Yes, so I did it. Then click this. What happened? What happened? Nothing happening. Click failed. Click UI element. Oh, click. Let so this is in UI element in window, right? So let's go to browser. Click a link in browser. Click a link in browser, not a UI element. Click a link on web page. Click a link on web page. Web page. Web page. Now Add a I, then button, yes, button search. Okay, let's run this. Let's run this. Run. Let's run this. Okay, we got a Microsoft Edge. Then focus here and search something. Click on this. Then click on this. Then I would need to click on the subscribe. Okay, I would need to click on the subscribe. Then click on a link on web page. Subscribe. Add an element. Click save. Div element. Let's change this. Add a element. This is just YouTube. This is uh, div 2. Okay, let's try this. Subscribe. Then let's let's get back to close this. Let's try running the flow again. To YouTube. Search this, click on that, click this, then subscribe. Yay! Did it. And also you should click on bell icon also. Okay, you should click on bell icon also to get the updates. Okay, let's automate that as well. Let's automate that as well. Let's automate that as well. Click a link on click a link on web page again. Then add a new element. Then no. Okay, it's the same div I can see. Now let's search this div 3. Let's try what happens. Done. Tattaradan, 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 tattaradan. All, all, right? All. Now we have to change this to all, all. Let's add that all also. Now, click a link on web page. Add one more element. Go to this one. Yes, yes. All of the web page. Item all of the web page. All of the web page. Let me close this. Run. Wait for web page to load. Focus on the text input. Search, type something, then click. Then click my channel. Then click. After this is click. Click all. Yay! We did it. Right. Subscribed. So this is how we can. This is how we can automate the some things in the some things in the web browser, right? Some things in the web browser. Some things in the web browser. So we have launched, we have wait for the web page, we have focused on a text field, right? Then so that the text field is activated, right? Then we have typed something like learn to code by experimenting. That's our YouTube channel. right? Then we search, we click then search, then we click, so then we got some search results. So we have clicked the first element, right? Then we have subscribed, then we click again, so that we got the all option, so that notifications list, then we have clicked on all option here. Now it's the time to close our web. It's the time to close our web browser. Close the browser. Where is browser? Browser automation. Close the web browser. Simple. So browse YouTube. So we are going to close the browser YouTube web browser, right? So let us see. So let's add. Let's run this. See. Let's see what is going to happen here. Done. Focused. Typing. Click search. Click on first link. And click on subscribe. Click on all. Right. Close. Perfect. Right. Let's save this. Save as. No. Browser. Your YouTube subscription automation. Okay. Save. Right. Use YouTube subscription automation. So we created this workflow. Right. Then I'm going to open the browser YouTube subscription automation. Okay. So let me open this. Let me run this again. Right. Okay. So YouTube is opened. Going to search. Let's learn to code by experimenting. Search. Click on this. Subscribe. Subscribe. All. Yay. Close it. Yo. So this is right. So let's add an input. Okay. Input variables. Data variables. Let's go to loops, sweep storm. Uh, text input, text, get. Let's go through all the inputs, right? Write text to a file, UI automation, focus the text field in window, populate the text field in window, right? Focus the text field window, we have focused, right? Focus text field in web page, we have that's what we have did. Get subscript crop, pad, trim, change text case, input text varies, input display input dialog. Okay, display input dialog, search, send keys before this display input dialog. So input dialog title is okay. Input dialog message, right? Input dialog message is uh please input some input something. Default value is uh learn to code by experimenting, right? Single line. We can use single line, multi-line, right? And then variable produced is user input, right? Variable produced is user input. Save. See text input. Send keys. Instead of send keys, we can use remove this and use user input, right? Input, user input, right? User input, user input, um, right, save, right. Let's see, let me run this first. What is happening? I run, open this and open this. So I got a pop-up here, web browser instance, please input something. Plant code by inspecting, right? Instead of this, Microsoft uh, Power Automate Learning is Learning Series multi-line, right? See, Microsoft Automate Learning Series or Automate. Subscribe. Yeah, I'm able to subscribe to Microsoft Power Automate, right? Then let's close this window, right? Again, let's launch one another, right? Let's go to this, launch YouTube, to subscribe to some other channel. Focus here. After focusing, we got the pop-up here instead of this. Let's go to Altrix, Altrix Learning Altrix Learning Series. Press OK. Yes, we got this here. Altrix Learning Series. So we didn't find the any channel here, right? We didn't find the any channel, so that's why we might have got error. So we didn't find this one selection. So instead, let's terminate this. Okay, let's terminate this and let's search for another. Let's search for another channel, right? Another channel. Nah, not this, not this. We have to search over here instead. Um, Alt Rix. Okay, just Alt. But here we also don't find any channel here, right? Let's rerun this, close this and rerun this. Got the we will get a pop-up like this. Just Altrix Altrix. If I hit OK here, Altrix. See, I got this. See, I already subscribed to all. Turn on notification. Perfect. So that's all for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And I will see you in the next coming video. Have a great rest of your day. Bye bye.